Are you taking a picture? Good job, Jane. Taking a picture? Good job. About ready to go home. Huh? Why, you tired?
Shaky.
Why? You sugar? Yeah, I'll drive home, baby. I don't care. There's Dad. Woo, Jaden, you're missing it. Take a picture. No, he's looking at the phone trying to take pictures. Take another picture. If you're not going to watch fireworks and you're on the phone playing, we're going home. We're going to go home. Take a picture. If he ain't going to watch it, then we're just going to go home. That way we can beat the traffic and everybody else. Huh?
He can watch them and he thinks he's recording.
He's going to fall asleep as soon as we start driving. As soon as we start driving. Alright. I like these fireworks. They're far away. Oh yeah. It really is. Got our own space. Alright. See him, Jaden? Beautiful. Oh, that was so pretty. See it, Jaden? He ain't looking at the phone. He grabbed it. Is he playing on the phone? We're just gonna go today. I said, where's something else to go? He's watching the phone, honey. He's not even watching these. We come here for him to watch him. He don't even care. He's on the phone.